Hello there. Let's explore Excel status bar in this video. The Excel status bar, which is located at the bottom of your worksheet, provides useful information at a glance, while also providing quick access to some features. From the status bar, you can scroll through the worksheet, navigate between worksheets. If you right-click on the navigation controls, Excel will display a list of worksheets you have in the workbook. Here, you can select a worksheet and quickly switch to it. See Summary of Information. When you select Range of Cells, Excel will display Summary of useful information on the status bar. The status bar will display totals, averages, counts for the range you selected. While working on a worksheet, you can zoom in to focus on a specific area, or zoom out to view a large range of the worksheet. Use the zoom slider found at the right of the status bar to zoom in or out. In Excel, you can switch between three views in the worksheet you are working on. The normal view is where you would do your work. When you open Excel, it will be in normal view. Next is the page layout view. You can see your page margins as well as add headers and footers directly on the sheet. With the page break preview, Excel highlights what and how your worksheet will be printed, with blue lines representing automatic page breaks. The status bar can also be customized to your preference. To add or remove options, right-click anywhere on the status bar to display the options available. Did you learn something new? Please like and subscribe. Paalam muna. Sana makita ka ulit sa lalong madaling panahon.